Today we're replacing the center console in a 1983 Porsche 928S. These are really bad about cracking out and from weight, and they really don't have a lot of room. As you can see, I've taken the screws out already for easy replacement. This is what actually I'm replacing. Now this appears to be original and you know, glued together, whatever. I ordered this online. It came from Thailand. Ordered the red stitch. Looks nice. It's so you can see it's much larger, so I'm going to have more room for my elbows and maybe even a few cassette tapes. Yay. So this really is just going to sits right down on the grid. It's made very well. And then we'll go ahead and attach the screws here and put it back in the Porsche. So there it is. That's what, I think it was like $69, custom made. I ordered the red stitching. I have red seats, so thought it would look really cool. So we'll post it when it's actually in the car so you can see what it looks like. Take care.